Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is provided on this video and on our channel. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the next one that we are going to cover is the Clarendon Road to Petit France. So let's click on this. So we can see our green and red points. So we are traveling from the green to red point. So let's zoom in. So you can see that we need to go a bit down towards this side, towards the right side of the screen. So let's start from here. So we can click on this, come down, and from here click on this, come down here, and then go up here, and then from here we can come down this way. So avoid the side roads, and again this has been in the exam, so it's important question. So we keep going down, and then from here we'll turn left. So stay on the left, don't touch the lines, and keep going straight. Let me just zoom out just to show you. So that's where we are going. So we're just following this road here. So let's go back, and then we'll just carry on going straight on this. So keep going straight. Straight from here. Straight from here. And we are approaching this roundabout, so we can go from here and we can come down here. Right, so keep going straight. So again we are approaching the Hyde Park corner, so from here just follow this arrow, and then from here we can come down this way. And then just keep going down, and then from here we'll enter this way, and we can go up here. So let me just show you here, so you can see that where the point is. So this is why I have come down here and going up here. So point is visible now, so go here, and then from here you can simply come down here and then just click on the point. So let's zoom out just to show you. So this is the most direct and the shortest route that you can take from this green to red point. Once again, it's been in the exam, so it's good to practice these questions. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.